Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This is a crucial step for achieving that desirable crispy skin. Then, allow your salmon to sit at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps the fish cook more evenly and prevents it from drying out. Next, let's talk seasoning. A simple yet delicious blend includes salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of smoked paprika. Drizzle each fillet with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then rub in your chosen seasonings. You have a couple of great cooking options. Pan-searing creates a wonderfully crispy skin, while baking in the oven yields a more tender, flaky fillet. Cooking time is key for perfect salmon. If pan-searing, cook skin side down for 4 to 6 minutes until a golden, crispy crust forms. Then, flip and cook for another 2 to 5 minutes. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook 1 inch thick fillets for 12 to 15 minutes. Always aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, measured at the thickest part, for safe and delicious results. Once your salmon is cooked, it's important to let it rest. Transfer the fillets to a plate and allow them to sit for about 5 minutes. This crucial step helps the juices redistribute throughout the fish, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Finally, enhance your delicious salmon with a squeeze of fresh lemon and a sprinkle of fresh herbs such as dill or parsley for a vibrant finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.